You have forgotten your iCloud account password and want to remove any iPhone lock for free. If so, watch until the end of the video to find out how to do it. In this tutorial I will show you how to install a custom iOS to avoid any blockage on your iPhone. If you find yourself in this situation, stay tuned until the end of this video to discover the precise steps to achieve it. In this tutorial I will guide you through the process of using a free tool to effectively bypass any lock on your iPhone. To achieve this we will need the program that I will leave you in the description of the video. Once your device is connected, launch the program and navigate to the Apple section. Will automatically start reading your iPhone data. To remove both owner activation and lockout, hold. Selected the Hello Bypass option and also choose the Change Serial Number option. To continue, enter your iPhone in DFU mode. You can achieve this by simultaneously pressing the power and volume buttons. How can we observe the iPhone has been successfully recognized? Choose the exploitation method and then we select method 2. In my case I will select iOS 16. You will notice the GMG logo appearing on the iPhone. This marks the beginning of the modified firmware installation process. Custom firmware serves as a master key allowing seamless connection to Apple-designed servers. Specifically to bypass iCloud locks. The device gains authentication allowing seamless linking to an Apple account. After installation of modified firmware, a procedure is carried out that reset iPhone ID values from the root. At the end select the option Skip Greeting Screen. After the successful installation of the modified firmware, our iPhone will reboot. Going through the initial configuration steps will take us directly to the main screen. As you can see, the iPhone works and is unlocked. We can link our Apple account without any problem. Thanks for following this tutorial. Remember that only subscribers have access to the private group where I am available to answer any questions you may have.